Did you know that the Copilot on Microsoft Edge can also help you customize the experience and change the settings? On Microsoft Edge, alongside the ability to use the Copilot to compose different type of contents, get insights from pages, and ask the chatbot AI to summarize content from the web, it's also possible to perform other tasks in the browser, such as organize your open tabs automatically with a simple query. The next time you have a bunch of open tabs, you can have the Copilot organize them for you automatically. The assistant is able to do this through the existing group feature on Microsoft Edge. The group feature, as the name implies, allow you to gather similar tabs together using a label and color to distinguish them from the other groups or ungroup the pages. Let's see how that works. To have the Copilot organize your tab on Microsoft Edge window, open Microsoft Edge, open a bunch of websites on the same window, click the Copilot button on the top right corner, and type the following query in the prompt. Organize my tabs, and hit enter. Here you can review the grouping that the Copilot organized automatically. Now here you can drag and drop tabs that the assistant may have missed into the correct group or move the tabs between the groups. Type the following query to show the tab on the left side of the screen. Turn on vertical tabs and hit enter. Now I just wanted to let you know that these commands only work with the chatbot AI in the Microsoft Edge browser, not the Windows 11 Copilot. You can also click the labels to open or close groups. It is also possible to right-click a group to change the name and the color, move the group to a new window, and close all the tabs in the group. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Please click the like button and consider subscribing, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.